Hello everyone again. Today we will continue from where we stopped regard to the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. You may recall that I previously made a video and emphasized that Kenya did not play a role in arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, and a lot of people were against me. Some people insulted me. Some even accused me like Nigerian government paid me some money to make the broadcast. But it's not the issue here. I didn't receive any money from anybody. I'm an independent investigator, and I meant to, to be neutral on this case and say things the way it is. The only thing I cannot do is to release a classified information that will jeopardize the national security or lives of Nnamdi Kanu. And regard to that previous video I made, you may recall that yesterday being 10th of, yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday, the Human Rights Committee in Geneva, International Human Rights Committee in Geneva, released a statement that they received about 25 petitions against the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu within these 2 weeks of his arrest. And based on that, they conducted an independent investigation, and now they have found out that Kenya did not play a role in this arrest, and they cleared Kenya of any role in this arrest. That is very clear for me. I'm not surprised, but for most of you who are been waiting for Nigerian government to say what and where and what happened, that issue will not come from Nigerian government, because Nigerian government have concealed the information regard to this arrest. And they're doing that for the interest of national security as well, and they don't want to as well cause more civil unrest when they release this information. I know how Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, and the point for the fact that he shouldn't have been where he was arrested if he had an adequate intelligence and security advice, being somebody advocating for independent state of Biafra, it was a failure of lack of intelligent and adequate security advice for such a person who is advocating for independent states. By the way, regarding to the issue of my previous advice to Ihrc for the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu, I emphasize that the best thing he should do at this moment is to mobilize teams of attorneys. And those attorneys should be divided into two or three, 4 categories, comprised of, respectful or respected lawyers, of civil, criminal, constitutional lawyer, and also human rights lawyers, including some team of investigators that can analyze this case severally before they can be able to approach, in order not to chase shadow. At this moment, as I said in my previous video, the jurisdiction on where Nnamdi Kanu was arrested is irrelevant at this moment. If anybody chasing how and where and jurisdiction of arrest of Nnamdi Kanu will miss the shadow or miss the fact or the actual fact in this case. So the thing I should advise again is, for the help of Nnamdi Kanu, Ihrc should, as a matter of urgency, file a motion with teams of medical doctors, independent medical doctors, to see Nnamdi Kanu and do medical evaluation, independent medical evaluation on the head of his client. And another issue here is they should not allow OHANAZE Ndigbo to represent or bring representative during the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, because OHANAZE Ndigbo have not saved themselves from Buhari government. How much more they want to save Nnamdi Kanu? Those groups are hypocrites because during the 2015 election, OHANAZE was split into two places, two groups. The one of Nneamwood was against the vice, and the vice was the one who led a team of IGBO, OHANAZE that endorsed Buhari and at the villa. So 2023 is coming. Ifeanyi for being the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu should not allow the trial of Nnamdi Kanu to be political or to politicize the trial, because all the Igbo prominent politicians are looking for a way, because the 2023 election will be unpredictable. Nobody will know what will happen. And most of the Igbo elites, Igbo politicians are now trying to be at the side of Nnamdi Kanu. That is hypocrites. So OHANAZE should never be allowed to monitor the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerian government already know that this is a sensitive case and the issue of human rights is at stake. They will not make such a mistake. Don't allow OHANAZE to witness the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Ifeanyi Ejiofor should focus on what matters in this case. Do not chase shadow on this case. Focus on the issue of legal matters regard to this case. Find out who the witness, focus on the cross-examination of the witness, and also focus on issue of evidence. Don't allow OHANAZE to appear in this trial of Nnamdi Kanu. They will not have impact. They are of really no relevance to this case. Thank you very much, and we will do a follow-up as time goes. Thank you very much.